Hi, today I'd like to show you how to create a digital menu that can be viewed by scanning a QR code. Here is the menu we are going to build in this video. You don't need any special technical skills to create this can be done by everyone. So in this menu you can see that we have different categories. Each category has different products, each product has photos, descriptions, different prices. Also, this menu can be translated to as many languages as you wish. For this example, I've decided to choose English and Arabic, and also the design can be customized. You can choose any colors and banner at the top of the menu. So let's see how to build this menu. The first thing you'll need to do is create your Apetito Menu account. The link will be in the description. After that, you need to log into your account, open Menu tab, and let's add our first category. Let's click Add Category button, and let's say name it steaks, and the description our best sellers. Let's create it, and now let's add our first product here. For example, Wagyu steak. The price is $4.50. If you have only one price, you don't need to enter a variation name. But if you have multiple prices, for example, for different weights, you can say like 300 grams is $4.50, 600 grams is $7.50. Let's add image for our steak. Let's add some allergens, dairy, garlic, and let's add some badges. I'll show you what is it. For example, for this one we will add new and bestseller, and let's add description. The tastiest Wagyu steak in town. You can add some styling here, such as bold text, italic, but I'll keep it simple for now and create a product. Let's now preview our menu. And you can see that we have our category with description and the first created product. If you press here, you can see the product card with all allergens, name, description, prices. Here are two badges I have mentioned before, new and bestseller, which is displayed both here and here. And also you can even add products to favorites, which will be displayed here. Now let's add some design customization here, because it's just default banner and color. And let's go to restaurant settings, appearance, and let's add banner, and let's customize the default color. You can choose it like that or enter color here as a code. Let's click save, update the page, and you can see that it now has this beautiful banner and color. And let's go to about and add some description. Best steaks in town. Opening hours, for example, 2 p.m., 10 p.m., and address Dubai Mall, lower ground. Let's save it. Go to the menu, and now when you click info, you will see our restaurant description, opening hours, and location. Now let's go back to our menu, and I will add some more products and categories to this menu. Okay, I have added some more categories and products, as you can see here. And actually, let's move beverages to the bottom to keep food and beverages separate. And let's preview our menu, and you can see that it has a lot of categories now. You can switch to the category you want. You can open any product for more details about it, and it's now only in English. But sometimes you have visitors who speak different languages, so it might be useful to have menu in different languages. So let's go to restaurant settings and add some extra languages. For example, let's add Arabic. Let's save it and go to menu. And when I click add category, you can see that now all fields are both in English and Arabic, and same for adding product. So you can enter your menu in different languages, as many as you want, but for this demo it will be just English and Arabic. And now I will add translations to Arabic for entire menu. Okay, I have added translations to Arabic. Let's check it. So if we click edit, you can see that everything here is both in English and Arabic now. Let's preview our menu. And you can see that it's in English by default. That's because my device's default language is English, but I can also change it to Arabic. If my device's default language is Arabic, I will automatically see it in Arabic. So when you click on any product, you can see all details in Arabic. Perfect, isn't it? Now let's go to QR code tab. Here you can see the QR codes, which can be printed and put on the tables. So when people come to your restaurant, they scan the QR code and see the menu. When you change something in the menu, you don't need to reprint the QR code. So you need to print it once, and then you can edit your menu as many times as you want. Also, you can find menu link here, which is useful if you wish to show your menu in Google Maps or Instagram or any kind of social media. So you can just add this link, and when people click it, they can see this menu. Also, you can see feedback forms, analytics, tablet menu tabs here, but this video is focused specifically on QR code menu, which we have just successfully created. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and now you'll be able to create a digital QR menu for your restaurant, so your guests will be able to see what exactly are you offering, which looks perfect on mobile phones, which has photos for all dishes, which has translations. And if you have any kind of questions regarding this process, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and have a great day.